morning to everybody. I am just Amit Dasgupta, representing the Sprain company based at Italy, having R&D center and the offices all across the globe. Presence in globe in Italy, main R&D, main distribution production point is at India in near Delhi, and we are having Dubai office as well as Hong Kong office. So all across we are mostly covering this total industries. Having footwear outsole as a very important component, this Sprain company based at USA has collaborated with us, and these products are being very successfully used by all leading manufacturers, all brands and everybody. We also produce adhesives and covering the entire range. The adhesives, polyurethane based, polychloroprene based, the cleaner, the primers, the all these other equipments what is required as an element for making a footwear, we are supplying. You means is a single point source, including material sourcing, servicing and all. Successfully this is being used for all leading companies in Bangladesh, India, Middle East and some part of the European countries. We do produce very successfully with very specialty characters and features, which will definitely, we believe, serve the purpose of the industry, including the very special new things are coming in, like substrate wise and other things. I think this is an age-old company having 62 years experience in Europe and the subcontinent, and we are very successful and very hopeful about all this distribution, consumption and all other patterns. We do need all of your supports and wish you all the best for the very success of this specially designed and very nicely organized this Leathertech Bangladesh. Thank you so much.
I am Roberto Re, Director of company Makeup Italy. This year our company celebrates the 40th anniversary from our foundation. We are present here in Bangladesh since 2005, representing the technology of shoemaking machine from Italy. Our focus here in Bangladesh is from long time the installation of machine and technical service with our local partner Maximization. We are pleased that many of company trust in us in the years, and we have lots of installation of full plant concerning footwear and leather goods and soles, and also some extra machines. The importance of the Italian product is well known due to the fact that it is a one-time investment which allows the shoe factory to work with the machine for the very long time, and we already make a calculation that the average time of Italian machine is about 30 years of working after the first purchasement if you have a relative good maintenance. We are present here in the exhibition since the first edition 9 years back, always as exhibitors, and for sure we will be here also in the future because we get lots of benefit from Bangladeshi market in the past, and I'm supposing to give some benefit to shoe factory here with our technology, and for sure we will be present even in the next occasion. I hope a good work to all our customers here, and see you soon. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, very happy to enjoy this exhibition for Dhaka, Bangladesh. So let me introduce myself first. I come from China, and the company, the Juda companies, also under the trading companies, Conventaion. So we company since 1990, And our main product is a fully shoes making production lines, including the sewing machines, and cutting machines, and molding machines. We entered the Dhaka market about 5 or 6 years ago. We looked this market is a very, very good market. So we have the very good development in the futures. So also in Bangladesh, we also cooperation with these maximizations, these trading companies to do the service for all the shoes companies in the local.
I am Dok Dai from Sangong Group, Shanghai, China. Our group has many different brands. We have a German brand, Pfaff, Mauser, Duco. Now I'm in charge of Pfaff and Mauser brand for Bangladesh market. We worked with our local dealer maximization over 20 years. We are very happy to work with them in this market. And Bangladesh is a good market and also very important market for us, especially focused on leather goods. We have a lot of sewing machine, especially on this field. I can see Bangladesh also have a good future for us. Here are many chances, also a lot of investment from overseas. So I hope we will get good results from this exhibition, and also I hope we have a good and great cooperation with Maximization. Okay, that's all. Thanks.